Hey, this is Casey and I'm One Mellow Marigold. And I am sitting outside my pea trellises. And as you can tell, these peas are ready to come down. So that is what I am doing today. But as I'm doing that, I wanted to give you a little bit of a pea seed review. Beginners, this is your plant. If you like to eat peas, you're gonna like to grow peas. Peas in general are a huge confidence builder. In particular though, this pea, I'm gonna highly recommend this pea to you guys today, and I'm gonna tell you why. Right here in the middle trellis, I grew Green Arrow peas by Territorial Seed Company. Links will be in the description. Here's what I really love about the Green Arrow pea. First of all, it's an heirloom pea, so it's been around forever, which means it's got a higher probability of being disease resistant. This is an organic pea for those of you who, like me, like to try to grow organic. This particular pea is not going to have to trellis super high. This is nice and short. Makes it easier for beginner growers who may not have all of their big space and big trellises and places to put those things. So small, compact plants. They never got more than about 2.5 feet tall. The pea pods themselves are nice and long. As you can see, we still have a couple hanging up here that just haven't quite developed, but some of those pea pods got to a good 4 inches. And I'm telling you, they are packed inside that shell. So very prolific grower, keeps nice and short and compact. Tons of flavor, heirloom, disease resistant, Territorial Seed Company, the Green Arrow variety. I highly recommend beginners you give this a go. They're going to give you a lot of confidence and some great production. So if you're in a place that can grow them in the fall, get ready. That's it, guys. Love you. Talk to you later. Bye.